When summer nights call for sizzling steaks and smoky burgers, the battle of the backyard grills heats up, especially between two of the most popular budget-friendly brands, Char-Broil and Nexgrill. Whether you're a first-time griller or a seasoned pitmaster looking for your next upgrade, choosing the right grill can make all the difference. With both brands boasting loyal followings and a range of features, it's time to put them head-to-head. Here's a comprehensive comparison, organized by the key questions every grill buyer asks. Which budget grill brand comes out on top? Char-Broil and Nexgrill both have strong reputations for offering reliable grills at wallet-friendly prices. Char-Broil often stands out for its innovative features and slightly sturdier construction, while Nexgrill tends to win over buyers with its aggressive pricing and broad selection. Ultimately, Char-Broil edges ahead for those who value longevity and advanced grilling technology, while Nexgrill appeals most to bargain hunters and those looking to get grilling fast without breaking the bank. Durability, price, and performance. Price, Nexgrill generally offers lower prices across similar models. For example, a basic 2-burner Nexgrill can cost around $150, while a comparable Char-Broil model is closer to $250. However, this price difference often reflects differences in build quality.
Durability. Char-Broil is widely regarded as more durable, with better resistance to rust and a reputation for lasting longer, especially if well-maintained. Nexgrill's lightweight construction makes it easier to move, but some users report that it's more prone to wear and tear over time. Performance. Both brands offer strong performance, but Char-Broil's true infrared technology provides more even heating and better temperature control, reducing flare-ups and producing juicier results. Cooking space, build quality, and features face off. Char-Broil typically offers a bit more cooking space on comparable models and is known for its solid, substantial build. Its grills often feel more stable and less prone to wobbling or warping over time. Nexgrill, on the other hand, emphasizes portability and flexibility, with lighter grills that are easier to move around the yard or pack up for a camping trip. Feature-wise, Char-Broil impresses with its true infrared system and easy-to-use ignition, while Nexgrill focuses on customizable burners and practical design elements that make grilling straightforward and accessible.
Which grill offers better value for money? Value for money is always a top concern for grill buyers, and both brands deliver in their own ways. Char-Broil's higher initial price is often offset by its longer-lasting components and more comprehensive warranties, making it a smart investment for those who plan to grill regularly. Nexgrill, however, is the value king for occasional grillers, or those who want to spend as little as possible up front. If you're looking for a grill that will see you through many summers, Char-Broil is likely the better long-term value, but Nexgrill is hard to beat for affordability. Head-to-head on 4-burner and 2-burner models. In the 4-burner category, Char-Broil often takes the lead with its advanced cooking technology and sturdier frame, making it a favorite among serious grillers. Nexgrill's 4-burner models are more budget-friendly and deliver plenty of heat, but may not last as long under heavy use. When it comes to 2-burner grills, the competition is much closer. Nexgrill offers impressive warranties and features for the price, while Char-Broil's models are praised for their reliability and ease of use, making either a solid choice for smaller households or those with limited space.
Rust resistance and longevity. If you're worried about rust and the wear and tear of outdoor life, Char-Broil generally has the advantage. Its grills are built with materials and coatings designed to resist rust, helping them stay in good condition for years. Nexgrill's burners may last a long time, but the overall body of the grill can be more susceptible to rust and corrosion, especially in humid or rainy climates. For those who want a grill that will hold up season after season, Char-Broil is usually the safer bet. Real-world user experiences and real-world durability. Real-world user reviews often highlight Char-Broil's impressive lifespan, with many owners reporting years of trouble-free grilling. Nexgrill users appreciate the brand's affordability and the availability of replacement parts, but some mention that certain components may need to be replaced sooner due to rust or general wear. Both brands have their loyal fans, but Char-Broil tends to inspire more confidence in terms of long-term durability.
Warranty, maintenance, and ease of use. Both Char-Broil and Nexgrill offer competitive warranties, with some Nexgrill models boasting up to 8 years of coverage on burners. Char-Broil's warranties are typically more comprehensive, covering additional components and offering peace of mind. Maintenance is straightforward for both brands, thanks to removable grease pans and easy-to-clean surfaces, though Char-Broil's porcelain-coated grates make cleaning especially hassle-free. In terms of ease of use, both brands offer user-friendly ignition systems and practical design touches, but Char-Broil's even heating and flare-up prevention go at a slight edge for beginners and seasoned grillers alike. Best choice for first-time grill buyers? For those new to grilling, Char-Broil's combination of user-friendly features, reliable temperature control, and easy maintenance make it a standout choice. Nexgrill's lower prices and lightweight designs are appealing for first-timers who want to start grilling without a big investment. Ultimately, your choice will depend on whether you value ease of use and longevity, Char-Broil, or affordability and portability, Nexgrill.
Feature comparison for grilling enthusiasts. Grilling enthusiasts who crave innovation and precision will likely gravitate toward Char-Broil, thanks to its TRU infrared technology and solid construction. Those who want to experiment with different setups or prioritize heat output may prefer Nexgrill, especially in larger models. Both brands offer something for passionate grillers, but Char-Broil's advanced features and build quality make it a favorite for those who take their barbecue seriously. What specific cooking features make Nexgrill stand out compared to Char-Broil in real-world grilling scenarios? In the realm of smart technology, Nexgrill has introduced models like the Nevo Smart Grill, which integrates Nex5-enabled connectivity. This allows users to monitor and control the grill remotely via a smartphone app, set precise temperatures, and utilize features like the SureTemp controller for maintaining consistent heat. The Auto Warm mode is particularly useful, automatically reducing the grill's temperature when food reaches the desired doneness to keep it warm until serving.
The Nevo also features multiple cooking modes, including air fry, bake, convection bake, broil, toast, and warm, offering a level of flexibility rarely seen in traditional gas grills. Practical design elements further set Nexgrill apart. Their grills tend to be lighter and more portable than Char-Broil's, with features like foldable legs and wheels for easy mobility. Nexgrill models often provide expansive cooking areas, high total BTU output, and user-friendly electronic ignition systems for quick startups. The inclusion of ample storage, tool hooks, and warming racks add to the convenience, making Nexgrill grills adaptable for both everyday family meals and larger gatherings. So, which is better? In the end, both Char-Broil and Nexgrill have earned their places in backyards across the country. Char-Broil stands out for its durability, innovative technology, and long-term value, making it the top pick for those who grill often and want a reliable, feature-rich experience. Nexgrill, meanwhile, wins on price and portability, making it ideal for casual grillers and those just starting out. Whichever you choose, you're sure to enjoy countless delicious meals and memories around the grill.